Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your OS supports Xlive Wallpaper and download the installer now. Once done, verify the file checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Make sure you close intensive programs and plug the laptop in so performance won't throttle. Run the installer as administrator. Follow prompts for core components. If asked, allow the app to access graphics and audio. This minimizes interruptions and ensures the live wallpaper runs smoothly from the first launch. Now configure Xlive Wallpaper. Launch the app and pick a preset or import your video. Once selected, tweak playback settings, lower FPS to save resources, or enable GPU rendering for smoother motion. Use transitions to set loop behavior and audio sync. Next, bind triggers. Pause on full-screen apps and mute when on battery to preserve power. Make changes incrementally and test for 30-60 seconds to judge impact on CPU and thermals. This approach balances aesthetics with system stability. Finish by saving a profile and enabling Start with OS if you want the wallpaper active every boot. Apply settings to each monitor and confirm scaling looks correct. Change fit or crop if edges cut off. Test reboot once to verify auto start and performance. If you encounter stuttering or crashes, first switch rendering mode from GPU to CPU or vice versa, then reduce wallpaper resolution or choose a more efficient codec. That single troubleshooting step resolves most playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.